South African health professionals are widening efforts to treat more COVID-19 patients with the use of blood plasma yielding more results. Well, as the search for COVID-19 vaccine continues around the world, medical experts in the country are not relenting on their efforts to overcome the challenges brought about by the pandemic. South Africa is the hardest hit country in Africa since the outbreak of the novel coronavirus pandemic. Here's more details of that in this report.
CEO of South Africa's National Blood Service, Jonathan Louw, was one of the first COVID-19 patients in the country. Louw donated his plasma on recovery. He's now driving the process to begin clinical trials to use convalescent plasma transfusion on those who are critically ill.
We'd like to conclusively prove that this treatment works. And if it does work, and we show that conclusively in the early stages of the disease, we'll break the trial and start making the convalescent plasma freely available to everybody that can get it as quickly as possible.
Donors are subjected to rigorous screening. Plasma from 60 recovered patients has so far been collected, tested and stored.
People that have had COVID-19 and have recovered fully and are 28 days after typically having fully recovered. We collect their plasma, and then that plasma will then, in the second arm of the trial, go into an ill patient, a patient that has active COVID-19, and it'll give them a degree of what's known as passive immunity. So that is when you use somebody else's antibodies to give your body a chance to produce its own antibodies in fighting this disease.
Convalescent plasma therapy could be a quicker alternative to vaccines being tested on the local population.
So vaccines probably another year or 18 months away. This is something that we can do right now that will hopefully make a real difference to people's lives. South Africa is at the moment sort of peaking with the epidemic, so this is the perfect time to find a large number of people that are in the recovery stages and are able to donate.
These plasma trials are part of an ongoing research to effectively treat those infected. South Africa is also testing a vaccine and studying live coronavirus cultures.